This is the difference between a lioness hunting and a lion hunting. Instead of choosing quickly, the lioness picks her prey as if she's selecting vegetables at a wholesale market. She carefully examines and deliberates, trying to choose one that is both tasty and easy to catch, but ends up taking so long that she can't decide on any. The lion, on the other hand, is different. Just like a husband doing grocery shopping, he rushes out, grabs the first thing he sees, and gets it done quickly and efficiently. Truly, every species has its own style, but they undeniably live up to their reputation as the wild version of human.